One of the most famous paintings was created by an Iowan almost 100 years ago, and the local Iowa landscape was his inspiration. Let's learn more about Iowa's most notable artist. This is American Gothic, a 1930 well-known painting by artist Grant Wood. The models in the painting are actually his sister and his dentist, and the house in the background caught his eye when Wood was out on a drive in Eldon, Iowa. It gave him the idea for what turned into an artistic masterpiece. That wasn't the only time the local sites inspired this famous painter. His signature style was based on what he saw all around him in his home state. Grant Wood was born here in Anamosa in 1891, and now there's a Grant Wood art gallery and museum to celebrate his work and educate anyone who visits. On one side of the gallery, you can see artwork Wood created when he was younger. On the other side are works from his later years. When his American Gothic painting became famous, Wood knew that that was the style people expected from him. So he got to work and created about 30 more pieces of art in the same fashion. There are certain paintings that have clues that the local land was Wood's muse or creative influence. Like Death on Ridge Road, painted in 1935. It was inspired by a street near Stone City, another town in Jones County that Grant Wood spent some time in. Grant Wood wasn't just a famous artist who lived and worked in Iowa, he made Iowa part of who he was. And even though he died a long time ago, 1942, his creative view of Iowa life and the landscape he saw around him still lives on. We can see it and admire it in the galleries and museums all over our state and the country, even here in Wood's birthplace of Anamosa, Iowa. Every county in Iowa has its own style, and in Jones County, that style inspired the brushstrokes of a very famous artist.
Funding for Find Iowa has been provided by the following supporters: